Hello, my name is Gabor, the founder of the ENVIENTA project. Let me introduce ourselves and the problems we would like to solve in a nutshell. We can see the new renaissance of the maker culture. Thanks to modern technology, more and more people around the world has the tools to create their stuff on their own, DIY. You probably find them in makerspaces. On the other side, there are those who invent, figure out things and need a working prototype, or a solution to small amount of product manufacturing capacity. But there is no link between these actors. Thanks to our platform, we connect the stakeholders of the supply chain. Designers, makers, investors, manufacturers, and distributors will find each other, and thus decentralized manufacturing. Products can be uploaded and become available at the marketplace. If you want to purchase an item from here, makerspaces nearby are able to produce it. Why ENVIENTA? Well, in our framework, the global demand is served by local circular economies. Designers can start unique projects or make it open source, allowing others to improve further. ENVIENTA reduces the costs of research and development, transport, logistics, and marketing. And finally, we can produce small series, recyclable, unique products with longer lifetime instead of wasteful mass production and environmental damage. The ENV utility token is the circulating currency of the ENVIENTA framework. You can find all the use cases on our website or check the value stream map in the white paper. As an example, let me outline a few here. After the product is sold on the marketplace, the manufacturers pay a license fee with ENV for the project. But ENV tokens also can be involved in project financing. Paying ERC20 tokens to a smart contract is complicated. But with ERC223, it's easier to pay like using Ether. Therefore, they can be used for internal project investments on the platform. ENV tokens sold during the private and public pre-sale up to $3 million are converted into non-fungible tokens. Subsequently, when it comes to financing projects on the platform, it is also possible to obtain NFTs. While the ERC721 standard represents non-divisible unique tokens, ERC1155 tokens are divisible. So these are ideal to represent projects or company shares. The source of revenue is the ENVIENTA framework itself, the selling of products at the marketplace. As we are using NFTs, they are representing a transferable equity. You can realize its value in ENV as a sort of dividend. About the implementation investment strategy, basically we divide it into 5 phases. Building the platform and a well-scalable network for cloud-based manufacturing. Then establishing innovation hubs and makerspaces along with the education program. And finally, launching the startup incubation in several fields according to our development strategy and supplying growing demand on our platform. ENVIENTA is more than an idea. There are ongoing activities and working MVPs out there. The ENVIENTA platform, the makerspace, the Eco House product development division, and the education program as a service. Check our website for more details, and if you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer.